Witch hazel, also known as winter bloom or spotted alder, is a flowering shrub that grows in North America and Asia. The leaves, bark, and twigs are processed to create a clear liquid that is used for many home remedies. Because it's a powerful natural herb, witch hazel has been used for centuries by Native Americans as a medical astringent. Witch hazel is 100% natural and cheap, which makes it a great addition to your home medicine cabinet. Witch hazel contains many compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains antioxidants that neutralize disease-causing free radicals that build up in your body. With its anti-inflammatory properties, witch hazel is great to treat acne, eczema, boils, or psoriasis. Witch hazel works well with all types of skin, from sensitive to oily. Although witch hazel removes oils from your skin, it won't dry your skin like other astringents. In winter, apply after a shower to lock in moisture. Use after shaving to treat or prevent razor burn. It's great as a facial toner and makeup remover. If you're dealing with hemorrhoids, witch hazel is often used to provide relief from the discomfort and pain. Witch hazel can help soothe the skin from sunburn, bug bites, stings, poison oak, poison ivy, and even chickenpox. Witch hazel contains polyphenols and other herbal and chemical components that help with swelling and can speed up the healing process for bruises as well as reduce the appearance of varicose veins. Witch hazel also contains tannins, which shrink pores, tightens skin, and can help smooth out wrinkles. Got a scrape or cut? Witch hazel is a great way to cleanse the wound of germs and bacteria while also soothing the inflamed, damaged area. With so many ways and more to use witch hazel, make sure you add a bottle of this natural, cheap astringent to your home.